Welcome to day 20 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 19, please go back and watch them. They're all in the playlist for you all to be able to watch them. You don't want to miss them. It's 75 days total, so this is still a beginning. Like, literally being on day 20, like, we have 75 days. We have so much stuff that we have to go over, but it's so much that you have already missed if you have not watched days 1 through 19. So please go back and watch them. And if you have not gotten your 3-book bundle also, please make sure you guys get a copy of your 3-book bundle. I'll make sure I have it pinned down below. Hopefully it's not sold out, but if you see it there, you should make sure you jump on it because they have been sold out. So take advantage while you actually see them, because it's a great advantage right now. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to keep them continuously in stock, but we will see. I'm waiting on more books to come, and then hopefully they just don't sell out very, very fast, like previously where people were not able to get a copy of it. Okay, so for day 20, we're basically talking about what we've been talking about this whole time, y'all. But I just want to make sure that you guys fully understand it. That's why we're really going deep into collections, because this is a big part, y'all. A lot of people overlook this part of it, but you need to know, should you wait for a collection or should you actually pay? And I already told y'all, I am into actually doing the suing to win. I'm into actually suing the collection companies for violations on a credit report, seeing if there's still inaccuracies. They refuse to remove it. They refuse to send you any documents on the debts. I'm into actually suing. So my thing is always, let's wait, let's see what's going to happen, then we'll just go from there. Sometimes, again, people are trying to buy a house, so they're in a rush. Like, I literally have somebody right now that's like literally in a rush. So it's like, okay, you was able to get these deleted here, but you still stuck with these right now because you only did one round of letters. So at this point, you need to figure out if you just want to go ahead and settle with these. Ask for deletion too, but if they don't delete it, at least it will show paid when you go ahead and buy your house. Now, I'm all into actually just waiting to be able to sue the companies, especially if there's inaccuracies on the credit reports. On top of that, not just suing, but is it almost near your statute of limitations? It's a certain amount of time where these companies can actually sue you. So if it's already past that statute of limitations, like, I would not pay it. Okay, let me just say what I would not do. I would actually still try to figure out what's the inaccuracies on the credit reports. A lot of these collection companies are re-aging the debts. I would ask them for their documents. A lot of them not going to send you the documents. Also, they're not even going to have the documents available to even send it to you. Okay, so think about if you're near the end of statute of limitations. Are you near that 7-year reporting period too? They only can report for so long. And I know some people may look at this and, let me just make sure I cover myself when I say certain things, like I wouldn't pay it. The reason why I wouldn't pay it is because if you got a collection on your credit reports, a lot of times you probably got your utilization is bad. You can put money towards paying down your credit cards with the accounts that you actually have open right now. A lot of people that have collections, they may have late payments. They're currently late on their other accounts, and they're worrying about actually settling these collections out, when it's like, no, you got other things you need to worry about. You got other things you need to actually put your money towards. So that's just honestly what I believe in this situation. So again, I just say wait, like literally wait, unless you're trying to buy a house. But that's what day 20 is about. If you guys have not done your 6 months of letters, please make sure you do your 6 months of free letters. That way you guys can have those done. This is a huge part. We're talking about collections. You can end up getting those collections deleted if you do your disputes. So let's just see, but don't just wait and don't have nothing working. You gotta have something working in your favor first if you're gonna wait. Okay, so make sure you guys have your letters out. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And again, if you see that the books are available, y'all better take advantage because they've been sold out for so long. And I've been seeing y'all comments. I just literally, like, I can't do anything. Like, I don't have the books to sell y'all, but I wish that I did so you guys can get your books. But as you guys see them become available, please make sure you guys grab them, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video.